My name's Brooke, and I've been playing guitar for a little over 4 years now. I decided to look for lessons when I would play rock band with my siblings. I began seeing improvement almost immediately. Before I came, I couldn't play a simple chord, and now I can shred and do my own stuff. What I like most about playing guitar with Preston is we get to do pretty much everything. We learn our favorite songs, we improv, we get feedback from Preston himself and the other students as well. It's just lots of fun. Lessons at SLC Guitar have been way better than the ones that I've taken at school. I mean, school lessons, we just focus on like a little part of the fretboard here, but here at SLC Guitar we focus on every aspect, every genre of music. I recommend taking lessons here because no matter what kind of music you're into, you'll learn how to play it and it works.